victory is possible again! Time to prepare a new backflip! Yay! Now that we know who made the pole, it's about time to talk about the sprint race! And let's start with the replay of the start with our minis! Now one will get close to me!
I forgot to add the sprite!
Taken to the medical center. We hope him a quick recovery. And behind him, Mark and Acosta fought for the podium. Mark made a comeback, reaching top positions while Acosta crashed. But reaching the podium is not enough. I want more. Same level in rain, the fight everyone is looking for. Now that I'm starting to go fast, try to catch me, Pedrito. Yahoo! I have more speed in the water, that's why I'm a shark!
And it looks like the shark has been hooked.
In the final lap, Marquez overtook Bezzecchi, and once again, victory for Marc Marquez in the sprint race! Let's see the replay of the finish line with our minis! Believe it or not, the anticipation was ready since Wednesday!
More chances of rain, but let's see if it will rain or not.
And what are your predictions for this race?
No way to stop Mark here, so victory for him, with Bezzecchi second and this time Zarco finishing third.
Thank you, Dark Mini. Follow our social networks for more MiniBikers. Goodbye and be mini good! And this video wouldn't be possible without the support of our friends!